What is up, YouTube? It is David Sarcosta here, and today we're gonna do some Cydia tweaks and 3 themes and ways to get I forget that's called free Cydia apps that are paid, like Barrel and other good stuff like OXO 2 and some more. I have some more good things in for you guys. So let's get started. So let me go to my settings here. Alright, first in the list is Activator. An Activator does gestures, like I have shake device to make a message, to quick pose a message, and single press to go straight to Cydia. And for proof of both of them, just hit the home button and it takes me straight to Cydia. So once this gets done loading, ignore because I keep getting that icon pop up. But yeah, that's Cydia. And if I shake my device, I get my quick compose. So say I wanted to go into my contacts and send a text message to my dad. Right there, quick compose. And I can do the texts and send that to him. But I really don't want to, so not gonna do that. Next on the list is Alkaline. Alkaline does require a respring, and it does give us 3 new battery themes: Abicia, Spots, and Bolas. And I like Abicia the best because it's the up and down kind of look. That's what I like. And yeah, so Alkaline. App Dye. App Dye is how I have colored keyboards. A colored status bar up here in these corners, and the that's pretty much it. But here, colored keyboard. Hang on, if I can get to it. There's the colored keyboard. It does in fact work. So that's App Dye. OXO 2 is $2.99 in the Big Boss repo, and it has hot corners, quick switcher, and multi-center. So I can go in here, go into my home button, double press to get this animation screen. It has airdrop, things of that nature, and it has brightness of the screen and volume and music. It also has the kill all apps to close all the apps. Alright, and it also has hot corners. So right over here by Clash of the Clans, if I drag that up pretty much, if I drag that up, and I can slide through here. I can slide through this with just my finger and using just my thumb. Alright, so that was OXO 2. Boot logo. Now this is like when you reboot your device, and I have booting HD, booting, and then it says boot complete, device configuring. So that's a good one, but this is my absolute favorite, glitch boot. This is what happens when I turn on my phone. It has this glitchy animation, just with not that dot in the middle. That's just my finger gesture. So that is boot logo, and boot logo was renamed to boot animation. So you have to get that and boot animation 7 for the things to work. That one, or classic dock doesn't work, color clock doesn't work, and colored knob doesn't work because those are iOS 6, and this was a iOS 6 iPhone, and it was now updated to iOS 7.1.2. So here's control task, 5 apps per page. So I have to go to my lock screen here, and when I'm in my lock screen, I can slide this up, and I have 5 apps per my page. These are just the apps that are open, and you can kill all apps by sliding over there. And yeah, so if you slide that way, you kill all the apps. Put my password back in, go to settings, delete 7. This is how you delete Cydia apps. Everyone's been wondering, how do you delete a Cydia app? So I'm just going to go to display recorder. I'm just going to say, hey, I want to delete this. And right there it says delete recorder. And this is, you can buy this on the App Store, or you can just get it right here at biteyourapple.net display repo. This is a repo added source, and I don't want to delete that because, I'm making a video right now. So go back in here. Now I got cylinder. This is how I have all my effects, and I like cube, shrink completely, and page twist. But I'm just gonna change this to show you guys what it looks like. Do some snake or something. So snake, yeah, something like that, but without the cube, because snake and cube look pretty weird. Oh, and yeah, okay, there we go. Now this should, yeah, that looks a little cool with that little shrink animation. So that's cool right there. Just keep that for the rest. Display recorder. This is how I'm recording my screen, and I don't want to mess with anything because I hope it doesn't mess up my video. So, alright, flux. This is how, like, you're reading at night and you don't want to blind your eyes. There's these different things where I really can't show you. Candle is like a dark orange. Incandescent is a light orange that flashes. And halogen and fluorescent, these two are pretty much the same thing. They're just a dark yellow. And they make it so that when you're reading at night, it doesn't mess up your eyes. So I can't really handle that. So I'm just going to go back to daytime. Right here, hang on, fluorescent, normal, right there. So change it back. Does not require a respring, which is good. Hidden 7 is, Hidden Settings 7 is a thing where you can change animations and all that good stuff. But this isn't the actual one. You need to have Hidden 7 icon. So, that's how you get that. Jelly lock is, I'm going to do another video about jelly lock. Alright, lock screen tool. This is how I have my DD mods down here, which is my iOS gamer tag, ddmod67, and it hides the camera, which, just keep in mind, if you don't have the camera right there, you can't open it up. And it hides this right here, like this arrow. There would usually be an arrow right there, and there would usually be something right here where it says the underline for that. And up here you have those, everything's the same right there, but that's pretty much what that does. Lock screen tool. It's free, by the way. Alright, magic badges. So I'm not going to go in there yet. I'm just going to show you what this looks like. Alright, so right here on my Snapchat, there is a pink circle and a 1. So a pink circle and a 1, and it has a changed font, so that's useful. If you just want different icons and stuff like that, you don't have to use Badge Boss. Badge Boss just puts a text in there. So yeah, it does require a respring. MCPE mods doing a different one. Message Plus doing a different one. NC Colors, I forgot to delete that. Springtomize. Alright, Springtomize requires a respring, but right here on all my icons, I have no names underneath them. They're nice and smooth and vibrant, with no names underneath them, because I actually know all my stuff, so that's good. You can make the dock disappear if you wanted to. You can do all kinds of cool stuff. It's just like Hidden 7's Spring, or Hidden 7's icon. It's just like that. Transparent volume and V color, I'm going to do a different video about those two, because they actually do connect. As you can see, I have a green thing right there. Winterboard. I'm not going to open that and do a different video about that, but last but not least, we're going to do Zeppelin. Alright, so you see up there how I have a monster logo? If I go into Zeppelin, it does not require a respring. I have all these things right here. These are all the ones I have bought and download. But I have every file you can get, and there's all kinds. I can just change my carrier logo to anything pretty much. So, let's go, let's just get shiny apple for the purpose of this video right now. I don't know, something like that. But, yeah, that doesn't require any resprings or anything. So now let's get into the 3 themes I have. Well, 3 themes I'm going to give away. I have Zanilla, which is the one I'm using right now, that I'm giving away. I'm giving away Gotham, with a Gothom, Gotham, and I'm giving away Translucent. These are all good themes, and I will be giving them away in other videos. All you have to do is like and subscribe, and in the days that come, I will give you guys the codes to get them, and it'll be a random raffle. Alright, last thing about this video is what everyone's been wanting to know, how to get free Cydia apps. So, let me go to my repo page. Alright, go into Cydia, and you want to go to, right over here. Let this load. Oh no, that's bad. 6%. Alright, you go to sources, you go to edit, you go to add, and then you put in the URLs that I have down in the description. You can put those in, but hit done. These are all the ones I have. Repo Cydia comes with a bunch of cool things, hacked games, all that good stuff. You have to have the game. I just figured that out. Tweaks, it comes with all kinds of cool tweaks. Actually comes with barrel. I didn't know that. Comes with all these good tweaks. Alright, and to prove that this is free, we'll go to the Big Boss Repo barrel. Right here, it'll give you, okay, this is the Big Boss Repo one, which is $2.99, and we have all these other ones with all the other things popping up, and I can install them right there, and they would be free to me. I have barrel 100% free. My phone always does that, reloading. Hang on, let's see if I can get that back up. Alright, return to Cydia, ignore, install, confirm. Now it should pop up. There we go. Downloading barrel. Alright, it's doing the display for that. Every time you have the display recorder, if you want to download that, you just have to hit cancel, and every time it pops up, temporarily just hit the ignore. So it's installed barrel, and I do not want to respring, so because that would end my video. So yeah, right there's barrel, you guys. The animation thing. And yeah, I'll be doing other videos about Minecraft, things like that. Some iOS tweaks that cost money, and themes that cost money as well, and tell you guys how to get those for free. So that was all for today's video. Peace out.